WEO has taken a significant step in addressing gender based violence among Afghan communities in Islamabad and Rawalpindi. Through the establishment of two women and girls safe spaces, this project aims to empower Afghan women, girls, and their communities by giving them with the knowledge, resources, and tools to prevent and respond to gender based violence. In this project, women and girls are learning various vocational skills which help to highlight their inner potential. Specialized trainers are engaged to teach painting, beautician courses, tailoring, and embroidery. These activities not only provide them with technical expertise but also boost their creativity and confidence. Through painting, they express their emotions and ideas. Beautician courses equip them with modern grooming techniques, while tailoring and embroidery refine their craftsmanship and attention to detail. These skills open up avenues for self-employment and economic empowerment, enabling them to support themselves and their families independently.
This is IIM funded project. Actually, we are working for Afghan refugees since 2008. We specifically work for the vulnerable communities like the GBV survivors who needs protection. In this project, we are providing mental health support and livelihood services to the beneficiaries that they can live their life with confidence and happily. We have established safe spaces in Rawalpindi, and in these safe spaces they come here and we do their counseling. We refer them for if they need other services. After getting the training in these different trades, we have provided them toolkits, that they can initiate their own businesses, they can initiate their own work at their homes.
Women in their community who face any protection issues are not only supported through psychological counseling at our safe space, but also provided with referrals.
मैनेजमेंट जो है एक बहुत ही हसास काम है और ऐसे हालात में जबकि गवर्नमेंट जो है वो रिपैट्रिएशन का ऑर्डर कर चुकी थी, ऐसी खवातीन के साथ काम करना और भी मुश्किल था, लेकिन अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह हम इसमें कामयाब रहे.
Women feel a sense of relief when they talk about their problems, especially concerning the mental stress and trauma they experienced during migration. The uncertainty of migration, the pain of leaving their homes, and the social challenges of settling in a new place deeply impact their mental health. These experiences often lead to trauma and post-traumatic stress. At our safe space, psychologists provide essential support to help these women open up, understand their struggles, and work towards overcoming them.
हमारे पास बहुत सारी औरतें आती हैं, लड़कियां होती हैं, तो ये सारी आपस में बैठ के बातें भी कर रही होती हैं, एक किस्म की स्किल्स भी सीख रही होती हैं. हमने इनके लिए ट्रेनिंग्स भी रखी हैं जो इनको गाइड भी करती हैं, बहुत अच्छे से इनके साथ रिलेशनशिप भी बना लेती हैं. इससे वो जो ट्रॉमा होता है उनका, उससे निकल आई हैं. बहुत सारी ऐसी औरतें हैं, बच्चियां हैं हमारे पास जो इसी वोकेशनल स्किल ट्रेनिंग की मदद से अपनी लाइफ की तरफ आ चुकी हैं. Psychosocial support plays a crucial role in normalizing the lives of Afghan women and girls who have endured immense challenges due to displacement and migration. Many of them face trauma, stress, and emotional turmoil stemming from their experiences. Through counseling and therapeutic sessions provided at our safe space, they find a platform to express their emotions and rebuild their confidence.
Too much changes came in my life. Before that, I was too much depressed in home. All the time staying at home, doing nothing. So after that, I came here and make friends, learning too much new things, and make myself more powerful in this field. So now I'm this much confidence that I can start my own business in beauty.
मैं ये नहीं सोच रही हूँ कि मैं अपनी बहन और अम्मी के पास नहीं हूँ. इतनी सुकून में मैं इसे सोच रही हूँ कि मैं मेरी फैमिली
دیگه این رفتارشان واقعا سر روح روان شخصا خودم بسیار تاثیرگذار بود و مدت 3 ماهی که اینجا ما آمدم در بخش آرایشگری تدریس دیدم واقعا زیاد سر روح روانم تاثیر کرد و همچنان رفتار از اینا همراه ما بسیار خوبی بود.
The Women's Empowerment Organization initiative is deeply aligned with the spirit of the 16 days of activism, emphasizing the empowerment of Afghan women and girls. This project fosters awareness about their rights, enabling them to stand against gender-based violence and discrimination. During the campaign, Women Empowerment Organization amplifies its efforts to highlight the importance of breaking cycles of oppression and ensuring a brighter, safer future for all.
This 16 days of activism, we take a stand for the voices of survivors, recognizing their courage and supporting their journey towards healing. Together, we can build a world free from gender-based violence. No tolerance, no silence, and no excuse.
Thank you, WEO, for giving us scale, support, and a lasting sense of belonging. Thank you.